So I've been coming for many years. I would say the explosion of venous disease occurred in about 2005 in the United States. So sometime between 2000 and 2005 I've been coming, and I've seen the explosion here at Charing Cross over the number of years with venous disease. And the real take-home message from me being here is the amount of information that's being transpired by the physicians and the key opinion leaders here, especially during the debates. And the debates can be very funny. I know that I've not lost a debate yet, but no, that's not true. It's about the information, the collaboration. And then when you go to the workshops here, the Venous Workshop has progressed from something that was very small and intimate. It's still intimate, but it's really large and all-inclusive. I learned more probably than the people that were attending, because the questions were very formidable. And especially early on in our years with the workshop, there was no right or wrong answer. There was no randomized controlled trials. So we told them how we practiced. And then over the years, things became uniform, and now have progressed to a point where the workshops, to me, are fantastic. I think there's no better workshop in the world that I've seen, that I've participated in. Going to talk to the key opinion leaders, having case presentations, going up to ask any questions to them, it's fantastic. Brilliant.